we're going to do is we're going to repeat this experiment, but this time the weight is going to stay where it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to add these 100-gram weights on one at a time and see what happens. So let's record what we've got first. So in experiment 2 we've got here, this time the distance is going to be always 5 centimeters, and the mass we're going to have 0, and then we're going to put on 100 grams, 200 grams down here and see what happens. So let's look at what it is with 0 grams on first. So take the weight off and let's record what the Newton meter is.
So Newton meter is 2.4.
Okay, let's put 100 gram mass on. Wait for it to settle down, and then now with 100 grams on, our value is
3.8.
and that corresponds very nicely with the values that we had last time when we did that experiment, so it shows that we're being consistent. Okay, let's put 100 grams extra mass on and see what happens. So just hook the two masses on.
Being difficult.
Yeah, well,
there we go.
This is science. Of course it's difficult. So that's 200 grams. Let's see what that is.
Gone to 4.9.
Okay. So now I can record 4.9 newtons. Right, that's now put on 300 grams. Let's put another 100 grams on.
Okay, so that is gone to 6.1.
So that's our record amount so far, 6.1 newtons. Okay, and do you think we'll try 400?
Yeah, we'll try.
Okay, let's try 400 grams. So you went for a mass with a bigger hook to make it easier.
Yeah, I realised that with the second one. Okay.
That's it. It's all on there.
Yeah. And 7.2.
And we've got here 7.2 newtons. We've only got 5 values there, but we're going to be pushing our luck to put much more on there. It's getting a bit low down this end. Oh, go on, we'll try one more. Let's go for 500 grams.
Alright. Oh.
And I don't think we could go any more because it's going to get just too close. The ruler here isn't touching yet, and our score on the Newton meter is just about
8.5.
8.5.
Getting very close to the end.
And we don't really want to change our Newton meter. We could change our Newton meter and record it differently, but if we do, we'd have to do it all again because that one may not be quite as calibrated, exactly the same as this one. So, what have we learnt from this experiment?
Oh, we've learnt that the more mass you put on to a pivot,
at the same distance,
the more force in newtons there will be.
Okay, but if you keep the same mass at different distances,
it will also increase the further away it gets.
that's right. Well done.